Watch how Tesla has discreetly placed the Cybertruck inside the Gigafactory Texas. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel and give us thumbs up. Joey Klender has a very unique angle at Teslarati, showing Tesla discreetly placing Cybertruck inside Giga Texas, found from a drone video. He says Tesla is continuing construction at Giga Texas, and it appears that it has discreetly placed a future resident of the facility on the second floor, the Tesla Cybertruck. Spotted in a new drone video from Terafactory Texas, the Cybertruck has been placed upstairs at the facility as construction continues to roll on in the plant that is located just outside Austin city limits. Following a brief appearance at the factory, the Elon Musk-commanded Cybertruck appeared at the plant in mid-April to give employees and workers on site a sneak peek at what the all-electric truck looks like in real life. It seemed that Tesla had taken the Cybertruck off of the Texas property and transported it to New York, where it made an appearance at the Tesla Showroom located in the Meatpacking District of Manhattan at 860 Washington Street. Now, before I go any further, I want to ask you guys, is there only one Cybertruck prototype, or there are more than ones? And why would Tesla put the Cybertruck in the second floor of Giga Texas? Maybe for people to see. If you live in Austin area and you drive frequently near the Gigafactory, do you see the second floor from your window, from your car window, or from the street? But please don't watch while you're driving. At least stop and see. And let me know, please, in the comment section below. It will be interesting. And I think another reason Tesla may be there, maybe they want to test the casting through GigaPress or something like that. I have no idea. I'm just brainstorming these ideas here for you guys to use them, and maybe we can have a discussion on this in the comments section. Now, while it is not known if this is the same prototype that graced Giga Texas employees a month ago, or if it is in the same Cybertruck that rolled through the streets of Manhattan last weekend, the Cybertruck seems to be getting acclimated with its future digs, as the truck will be produced at the Giga Texas factory when production begins. With plans to begin limited production by the end of 2021, the Cybertruck will be one of the first all-electric pickups on the market, likely following the R1T from Rivian, which is slated for deliveries in the coming months. So R1T will be first, and then Cybertruck, and probably, hopefully after that, the Ford F-150 electric Lightning truck, and then maybe I think Chevy is coming up with an electric Silverado as well, correct? Now, since the Cybertruck's dedicated unveiling event in November 2019, Elon Musk has made several comments regarding the design, production processes, and overall build of the all-electric pickup. The most recent modifications that Musk announced had to deal with the vehicle's dimensions, after noting that an anxiety-filled entrance into the Boring Company tunnel in Hawthorne, California gave him concerns. Musk indicated that the truck would be smaller, but only by a fraction. He said to Joe Rogan on an episode of the Comedian podcast, saying, "That's pretty much what it," meaning the Cybertruck, will look like, with very small differences. You know, we adjusted the size a few percent, like around 3% or smaller. You don't want it to be a couple of inches too big for the tunnel. Additionally, Musk also indicated that the stainless steel alloy that is responsible for creating the truck's exoskeleton will also be subject to changes as new, more robust alloys are discovered. We're rapidly changing alloy constituents, and forming methods to traditional names like 304L will become more of an approximation, Musk told Teslarati when commenting on an article regarding an upgraded Starship prototype in July 2020. Musk confirmed that the alloy changes would also come to the Cybertruck as well. Teslarati also says that the Cybertruck's underside will also be manufactured with the use of an 8,000-ton Giga press from Idra company. I think it's Japanese-Italian company based in Italy. Tesla uses the Giga press to create single-piece castings of the Model Y crossover to increase structural rigidity and improve manufacturing efficiency. While Cybertruck production is still several months away, Tesla has the truck stored at the facility that has been deemed the Cybertruck factory by some. Production of the tri-motor and dual-motor variants will begin first, with the single-motor configuration becoming available in late 2022 if all goes according to the company's plan. I will have a description of a video I will have a link of a video, friends, in the description of this video, and you can check the 7-minute 10-second mark to see that segment where Cybertruck is inside the factory of Gigafactory. Now, I have something else to share with you about Cybertruck. What do you think will be Tesla Cybertruck's user interface? CleanTechnica has an interesting story from Evanex saying some pretty interesting Cybertruck center touchscreen user interface visuals were leaked recently when former Tesla head of UI design Pavel Pietrika uploaded them on his new company's website. If you remember, we covered that. Paul joined Tesla as an art director and designer in 2016. Later on, he became the head of UI design and left the Silicon Valley automaker Tesla this year in March. After 4 years and 6 months, it appears he, perhaps mistakenly, uploaded the secretive Cybertruck UI as part of his portfolio to promote his new company's website and his prior work, Modern Graphic Unstalled. However, when this footage was discovered by the Tesla community on social media, Powell deleted these UI graphics, most likely at the request of Tesla. The prototype early version of the Cybertruck UI is darker themed, different from the brighter UI in the Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y. Some of the Cybertruck's newly designed maps were also seen in the test drive videos from the unveiling back in 2019. I would personally prefer to have a little bit whitish design, because we've seen that Tesla's Model S white seats work very well. It kind of little bit dark inside the lower area of the Cybertruck, but because the way it's done, the exoskeleton, the Cybertruck is full of light from above. Now, these leaked UI screens look like mock-up design themselves, as opposed to being captured on a real Cybertruck. The Cybertruck center touchscreen UI might not be the final design that we'll eventually see after production starts at Gigafactory Texas later this year. The design language of the Cybertruck UI also mirrors the futuristic electric pickup truck sharp edge design. Some refer to it as origami with stainless steel. The fonts, icons, and UI elements are all in line with the cyberpunk design aesthetics. Well, friends, let me know what you think about the Cybertruck's design inside, and also specifically Cybertruck being in the second floor of Tesla Gigafactory, or maybe it's even the third floor. It's hard to say from these images. Well, this is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Subscribe to our channel, like this video if you found the information informative, and I'll see you soon in our next report and in the comments. God bless you everyone, and peace be with all of you. See you soon.